Okay, guys, I start the recording. Let me share my screen. Please let me know once it's visible. Is it visible now?
Yes.
So before I'm going to start the new topic of shortcut key, in the last session, I just forgot to tell you about some important points which is related to your assignments of formulas. For an example, if I if I show this tab where 45 to 50 formulas are there, some count is blanks. So till proper, these are the basic formulas which we will cover in day 3. After that, we will understand about the logics of dollar. Then we will start first topic of formula VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match. And these are some assignments. After each topic, I will share the assignment. For example, this is first question. Solve the scenario. Employee ID, and these are the names and these are the productions from Monday to Friday. So these types of questions I will share, and here I will share after each session I will share some theoretical and practical questions. For example, what is the difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP? In which formula we use row index number, VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP? Then what is the full form of VLOOKUP and how to identify which one is used for HLOOKUP data? So these types of theoretical questions and practical questions which I've shared. Then index match. So this is my Excel batch 12. In this Excel, I have added multiple tabs with including assignments. These all are the assignments topic wise. So once I will complete VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, then I will start index match. Index match is also important part.
रहने दे।
Okay. Then these are the questions. Count if sum is. Similarly, these are the questions which is related to your filters related advanced filters. Count if sum is. These are the questions and these are the solutions which I have created on formula. These types of formulas we will cover. So these all assignments we will cover it. Uh, in this whole session, you can say 150 to 200 questions are there, including assignments. So once you will complete all the assignments, after that, I will share some interview related questions. For example, this one, Excel assessment, I will share these types of interview related questions. These are the real interview questions which I got. These are data sets, and these are the formulas. Give the sum of all values which greater than 20 in column H. In column H, if I apply one filter, I will cover these all topics in front of you, but right now I'm giving some overview what kind of questions are there. For example, these are the data of H column, which total summation is 1473, and these all are the values which are greater than 20. For example, 52, 54, 60, 70, these all are greater than. So this formula I have applied sum is, and here I have applied greater than equals to greater than 20, and this is final output. These types of questions you will resolve. Then one question is coming from some product. This is also important question. Then in the task 3, here are some questions which is related to left, right, mid. These all will be covered in your course. Then index match questions. So this is one of the real-time questions which I will share. And if you understand the logic of assignments, you can easily crack these all interviews questions. Let me open another interviews question. This one, advanced Excel test. These are the questions. Question one, two, three. These types of questions they will ask. This is related to your COUNTIF formula, count of all employees, and these are the categories, and these are the job families. So, so I'm closing this all Excel. So these types of questions I will share after completing all my topics. So shall we start the next question topic, which is related to your shortcut key? Shall we start now? This one, because in the last session we have covered up seven shortcut keys. Shall we start now, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here this is control deleting these two shortcut keys which I have given. Alt H DR. What is the meaning of this shortcut key? For deleting any row in your Excel, and Alt H DC for deleting any column in your data. And on the other side, in B column, this is control minus for deleting columns and rows in your data. This is advanced, and these are basics. Right now, I want to delete the data of A2. So how is it possible? It is possible by this shortcut. If I select, first select, click on 3. Now whole row is selected. Now this time, if you choose Alt H, then D for delete, D for delete, and here delete sheet rows, D and sheet rows. Now the data of A2 is deleted. Understood, guys? How to delete rows in the Excel with the help of shortcut key for deleting rows. First, select your data, which row number you want to delete. Just click on this option. This is first way how to select your entire row. Second way is type shift space. Now the entire row is selected. After that, either you can use Alt H DR, Alt, then H stands for home, then D stands for delete. After that, the last R stands for delete sheet rows. The moment if I click on R, row number A2 data is deleted. Understood, guys?
Yes.
So this is the basic shortcut. Now, if you choose control minus, this is easier and faster than your basic shortcut. You need to just select shift space and then press control minus. Now the data of A2 is again deleted. Understood, guys? We have two approaches. So which one is easier? This one or this one?
Control plus minus.
Actually, you are getting confused. plus is the combination. You can use control minus. As per online keyboard, let me open that online keyboard. Then if you press control, hold control key and press this one minus, control minus, then entire row will be deleted as per row selection. If you want to choose any column, then same command to be applied, then entire column will be deleted. For example, I want to delete the data of Tuesday. So same thing, right now you need to select entire row. So first thing is, first manual approach is just click on C, entire column is selected. This is first approach. Second is control space. Control space. Right now I want to select C column. Just put your cursor anywhere and press control space. Now the entire record of C column is selected. After that, if you choose control space, now the date of Tuesday result is deleted. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
So by this way, we can delete something from your data.
You know, you were from the you don't select my
Anyone is asking any question? Is there any doubt, guys? As of now,
No.
great. So here we have learned about how to delete. Now we need to learn about how to insert rows and columns in your data. This is one table. Here I want to insert the data between A3 and A2. Same thing. Right now I want to select entire row. Press shift space or you can click on this row number. Entire row is selected. After that press Alt H. Same thing, Alt H. Now click on insert option, then click on R. Why? Because we are inserting rows. So that is the reason R is enabled in front of you. Because entire row is selected, so column is disabled and row is enabled on your screen. The moment if I press R, now the new row inserted. Understood, guys? Now the same thing we can do with this shortcut Control Shift plus symbol. This one, Control Shift plus, Alt H I S. This is stands for useful. This is basic shortcut key and advanced is Control Shift plus. If you're using system, then you need to select Control plus. If you're using laptop, then you need to press Control Shift plus. Control Shift plus because I'm using laptop. If someone is working on system on monitor workstation, so in that scenario, just click on plus in that scenario. If you're using PC, understood, guys? Select your data, Control Shift plus and Control. Now the two rows are inserted. Understood, guys? How to insert your rows and columns and delete insert part.
Yes, sir.
I will come to this point. What is the meaning of insert sheet after some time? Then what is the meaning of delete sheet? Now here we have completed these two parts. Now let's move to the 11 row. How to hide rows and columns. Same thing. These are the basic shortcut keys. These are available in your Excel, and these shortcut keys we need to remember it. And if you remember, I have shared two PDF of shortcut keys, 200 and 239 shortcut keys which I've shared in the same generic groups. So you can, these all shortcut, advanced shortcut keys are available in that PDF. Okay, so you can work on that. Because as of now, for shortcut keys, there is no assignment. Once I will start formulas, then I will share some assignments. Understood? So here, this is control minus. Key is used for row hide, and this is control 9. Control 0, key is used for column hide. Let me copy it. Now, right now, I want to hide row number 3. So what you can do, same thing, shift space, because we need to select entire row. Then in that scenario, press shift space, entire row selected. After that, use Alt H, then O stands for format, O, then U and R, hide rows. Now the data of A3 is hidden, is not visible on your screen. Are you able to see the data of A3?
No.
Great. Why? Because one shortcut key I have applied here. This is basic shortcut key, which I have applied. Now, if you want to unhide, just select the data from 3 to 5. Same thing, shift space, and after that, just right click and click on unhide. Now the data is visible on your screen. Similarly, good approach is select shift space, then press control 9. Control 9 is good approach as compared to this one. Control 9 I have used. Key is used for row hide. Again, the same row number is hidden. Now from here, the range from 5 to 3, we need to select and right click and click on unhide option. Now the same result is there. The shortcut keys sessions are some boring. Once we will enter in the formulas, then session will be interested. Now the next topic is shift plus F11. How to add sheets. Now this topic we need to cover, which I was telling you. This one. What is the meaning of insert sheet? Guys, if you are aware, do you have any idea what is the meaning of insert sheet?
Adding one more tab below, one more sheet, new sheet.
New sheet, yes. Inserting one more tab. For example, here right now, how many tabs are there? We have n number of tabs. Now this time, and where is the symbol definition? This one is the symbol, new sheet. If you click on this option, you will get new sheet. Now sheet number 4 is added. Sheet number 4 is inserted. Understood? If you click on insert sheet, now same option again. If I will use now, sheet numbers 5, sheet number 7 are inserted in the same Excel. These are the basic use. Now what are the shortcut keys? Shortcut keys Alt H I S. Alt means same tab, H stands for home, stands for insert, and S stands for insert sheet. Same thing. Alt, then H. Home tab is more useful as compared to other tabs because in these tabs, a lot of the shortcut keys are available. Now after that, just type I. Now S stands for insert sheet. The moment if I press S, what will happen? New sheet will be inserted on your screen. Sheet now the sheet number 8 is inserted. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great. Now this is basic approach. Good approach is Shift plus F11. Same shortcut keys are available in the PDF. Just use Shift F11. What will happen? New tab will be created on in your Excel. Now if you noticed, one more tab is created. Sheet number 9. Now sheet again if you press Shift F11, sheet number 10 will be inserted. Understood, guys? Again if I press Shift F11, now sheet 11 is also inserted. Any doubt? Is there any doubt? How to insert tabs in your Excel?
No, but I
No,
have
sir.
one regarding this hiding rows and columns. You have said for hiding rows and columns, this
Hmm.
formula we can use, but what we can use for unhiding?
Unhiding shortcut key is also there. In my
Okay.
in my keyboard, that shortcut is not available. But let me tell you what is that uh, shortcut. Uh, this one, not this one. One one command is there where arrow is visible. Same command between window and alt. You need to press. So what will happen once you will press that command? In some laptops, those commands are available. In my laptop, that command is not available. What will happen? This type of bar will be opened, will come if you click. Uh, because that command is not available in my keyboard. So that is the reason I'm not able to show you. But you might be have noticed in some laptops, those commands are visible. In that keyboard, arrow is visible. So just the moment if you click on that command, same pop-up will come. Then you need to click U. U stands for unhide. Right now I want to hide, for example, some rows are hidden between 12 to 15. So here, if you press that command, what will happen? Same pop-up will come. U. U stands for unhide. Understood?
Yeah.
Right now I'm using mouse, but
Mm.
that command is also available in some laptops. If you press that command, after that this pop-up will come. Then use
Okay.
U. So
Mm.
for example, window. Suppose window is your command. So window plus U, then
Mm.
you will get window, then U, then you can unhide that row or any column. Right now I want to hide column number column number B, custom shortcut key, Control 0 I pressed. Now how to unhide it? Same thing, just select the data from A to C because between A to C that the data is visible, data is hidden in this two range. So that is the reason select the range from A to C. Now
Mm.
press uh, that command. Now the same pop-up will come, then press U. Now B is hidden, unhide, sorry.
Okay.
Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Great. So Shift F11 is also completed. How to create multiple sheets. If you press Shift F11 for 5 seconds, what will happen? And number of sheets are inserted on your screen. Now if you
There
notice,
is any limit for these sheets?
no limit. You can insert n number of sheets.
Okay.
Now right now, how to delete these inserted sheets. Understood? Because we know these all are unnecessary tabs which are created right now. Understood? So right now sheet number 10, let me start from sheet number 8. Now sheet number 8 is not required. So shortcut keys, let me copy that shortcut key. I think those shortcut keys are removed in this tab. Also, what happened? Alt H D S. Yes, this one is available. Yes. Alt, same Alt. Home stands for H stands for home. Then D stands for delete, and S stands for delete sheet. This one. Where is it? Alt H D and S stands for delete sheet. This is basic shortcut key, and custom is only three shortcuts. Alt E L, then you will delete. This command is not visible, but this is available in your Excel. Alt H D S. The moment if you press S, now here we are getting some warning message. In this warning message, Microsoft Excel is telling this tab will permanently delete. Do you want to continue? Then what will happen? This will be deleted. Understood? That tab is deleted. Similarly, again, if I press Alt H D, the moment if I press, now here what will happen? In this data in sheet number 8, I did not write anything. So what will happen? This time you will not be getting any warning message from the Excel. Why? Because this is empty cell. The moment if you press S, sheet number 8 will be deleted without giving any warning message. Now the moment if you click on S, now if you noticed, sheet number 8 is deleted. Understood? Now again, if you follow the same process, Alt H D, then again S, again same thing. Sheet number 12 will be deleted. Uh, Alt H D S. Now here, if you type something, for example, I'm writing ABC. Now this time again, if I do the same action, Alt H D, the moment if I press S, now Excel is telling some data is stored in this tab. Do you want to continue? It means Excel is giving some warning. This is warning message. You have done something, you have created something in this tab, which is important for you. So do you want to delete or not? Excel is asking. Understood? Because here we have added, we have written something. So Excel is understood. Okay, this is important. Notes, something is available in this tab. So right now we are getting warning message. The moment if I click on delete, then this sheet will be deleted. If I click on cancel, now it is not deleted. Understood, guys?
Yeah, I have one question. What is the way, like, delete one way, like, can we delete all the inserted tab?
Yes, we can
Inst
delete all one by one. I will tell you how to delete all this tab one by one. I will tell you. Like for example, multiple tabs I have opened it. I will here you can select. This is first way. Control click, control click, control click. Now the moment, for example, sheet number 11 is important. I don't want to delete this one. So here, just mm. Now sheet number 10, sheet number 9, 1, sheet 4, sheet 29, sheet 27. These all are selected. The moment if you click on delete sheet, now Excel will tell you some message because multiple tabs we have selected and some of them, some data is there. Now here in sheet number 1, some data are available. That is the reason we are getting that message. Understood? So right now, I don't want to delete this one. This is important. Let me, un- If I delete this all, now 4 to 5 tabs are deleted at one time. Understood how to delete? Then I will come to one more point. Instead of using these all shortcut keys, one more shortcut F4. With the help of F4, once you will press for a few seconds, all the tabs will be deleted. Till this point, any doubt how to delete multiple tabs?
And just in case if we deleted that any seat, like can we recover back?
Yes, I will come to that point.
Mhm.
That topic is also there. How to restore your deleted sheet. Understood? So let me complete this one, then I will come to that point.
Sure.
Uh, so how many sheets as of now? Multiple 10 to 15 sheets are there. So again, sheet number 11, some data is there. So right now this is not required. I'm deleting it. Now if you noticed, if nothing is there, if tab is empty, in that scenario, you will not be getting any warning message from the Excel. Right now, if you click on delete sheet, sheet number 26 will be deleted. Similarly, if you delete, if you press Alt EL, Alt, right now I'm using custom shortcut key Alt EL, this one Alt EL. Now you will get that message Alt EL, Alt EL. Now how many tabs are there? Sheet number 21, 20, 19, 18. These are left. Now this time I don't want to use Alt EL and Alt Touch DS. Here I will use F4, F4 command. If I press F4, now sheet number 21 is deleted. Again, if I press F4, sheet number 20 is deleted. Now I will hold it for 2 or 3 seconds. Now F4 is deleting. Instead of using Alt Touch DS, Alt EL, right now I have used F4. Now what is the meaning of F4? Explanation is here. F4 is depend on the last command what you have used. This is not mandatory for deleting any sheet. Understood? If you want to insert something, then if you press F4, then F4 will insert. So right now, F4 is copy paste of your last command. This depend. For example, here, if I type here A, here I'm typing B, C, D, F, E, G, for example. Then here I'm writing some 1, 2, 3. Right now, if you delete any one of them, for example, I'm deleting 2 number. Now, first time I have used delete command. Now, instead of using deleting command, I will use F4. What will happen? Just put your cursor here. Now, with the help of F4 command, the data of 4 row number is deleted. The data of 7 row number in B column is deleted. I'm using F4. So it is depend on your last command, what command you have used. Understood, guys? And if you highlight something from this color, now here I have highlighted something in row number 6, column C. Now this time, if you press F4, right now I'm using F4. So F4 is depend on your last command, what you have used in the last command. Understood, guys? So this is not mandatory for deleting. You can use another thing as well. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Now I want to remove this all.
Yes, sir.
I want to remove this color from this background. What you can do, just press on no fill. Now select entire data and again press F4. Now the entire background is removed with the help of F4. So this is important. F4 has two roles. In shortcut keys, this is one part. Once I will start formulas, dollar formulas, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, then you will see another role of F4 in that scenario. Understood, guys? F4 is depend on your last command, but there are some exceptional in some cases. Right now, here, if I'm written something, if I'm copying it and I'm pasting it here. Now this time I'm using Control C first time, and 3 times I have used Control V. Now this time if I use F4, again we have pasted the same value with the help of F4. Now this time again if you press F4, second time F4 will not work. So there are some limitations with in some scenarios. In the case of copy paste, we can paste it only one time with the help of F4, not more than that. Understood, guys? Now after that, again, I'm not able to paste any data. Right now I'm using F4, but I'm not getting that value, A data. But here, if you press Control V, you will get. So here are some limitations with the in copying and pasting data if you're using F4. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Now someone has asked question. Okay, for example, this is sheet number 30 is important tab, for example, and some data, for example, some shortcut keys as of now I have covered up. I'm deleting this one. Now, right now I'm saving is. This is important tab. The name of this tab is important tab. Where's that Excel file? Let me check. This is saved in downloads. Okay. Now this time, if I delete important tab, by mistake, I deleted. First, Excel will uh, give you one warning message, but by mistake, if I click on delete option, the data, this tab will be deleted permanently. Okay. Right now, if you use Control Z means undo, then undo case is disable for this scenario. We can't restore any deleted tabs. If you delete by mistake any tab, so in that scenario, it is not possible to restore that Excel tab. So how can you restore? Understood, guys? Then which one is the approach by which approach we can restore that deleted file? Understood, guys? Guys, understood my question?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Now, after that, just click on this Excel. Now, this time, never click on Save option. If you click on Save options, that tab will be permanently deleted from your Excel. In that scenario, just click on Don't Save. Now, click on Excel Best 12. Now, if you noticed, have I restored the tab which I have deleted just few seconds ago? Important tabs. Guys, understood or not? So
Yeah,
here is
got
only
it.
one approach by which approach we can restore. In that scenario, if we click on save option, then this tab would have been deleted permanently. Understood, guys?
Mhm.
So we have completed almost all shortcut keys. Okay. By tomorrow, I will start formulas. This is more interesting and this is more related to your real-time projects, real-time scenarios. Some count blanks. I will share with real-time examples. I will cover these all formulas. Understood, guys? Now you guys please tell me any question in today's session which I have covered up.
No, sir.
Any other guys?
So far, all good. Thanks.
Okay, if you want to continue, then please talk to it. Tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards, I will share the link in the target group. Okay, because this is day 2. Okay, thanks for joining us. See you in tomorrow session.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.